Okay, so I just started downloading Zorin OS 11 Ultimate Edition, and I found that there are no uh, reviews for the Ultimate Edition, so I will do my own review pretty quick. I'm only gonna show the software and whatnot, what's going on in it. So as soon as this is done loading, I will start recording and show you what's going on. Okay, so I just got the installation complete message saying that I should restart my computer now. I'm gonna do that. Alright, so here's Zorin OS 11 Ultimate Edition. This is loading. Okay. Alright, let's see what's here. First, I'm gonna change the look. Background plus. Hold on. I like gnome too. Alright. This looks relatively the same. I'm not sure if I've ever seen Synergy before, but or Plank. Huh. But yeah, this is the same. Oh, nice. More games. A lot more games. Wow. Okay. Cool. I won't be playing Steam on this because, well, Steam is shit on Linux, but I have Windows, so that'll be alright. Nice blender. Sweet. I can't really use it that well. I'm not that great at using Blender, but I know what it is. It's pretty good. GIMP. I don't really care for this one. Scribus, never use that. Okay. Firefox, I'm gonna change it to Chrome. Oh, nice thing. Okay, ebook manager, viewer, getting things, gnome. Dang. Okay. You get much more stuff. Much more. What is this? Record a video or take. Okay. From. Oh! This. A screen. Okay. What is this? Manage. View your media. Digital television viewer. Okay. Digital DJ interface. I like OpenShot. Video. Oh. Okay. I think that's the same. Preferences. Let's see. Additional drivers and all that good stuff. I think this is the same. Yeah. Yep. Except for the background plus. I've never seen that. Let's check that out. No. What the heck? Oops. Where was I? Oh yeah. Okay. Space. That's cool. Hmm? What's this? Oh, okay. I can do that. check out more backgrounds. Oh, there's details on this. Oh. Okay then. Open backup settings. I'll do this later. Set background. That's neat. Jeez. Oh, okay. Well, now I gotta wait. Huh. Doesn't seem to have made a difference. Okay then. Oops. I'm gonna stick with blue. I like blue. What is this? Grid entry, handwriting recognition. Control your desktop using mouse gestures. GTK front end easy eSpeak. Man, I can't speak. Wine. Some good stuff here. I don't use it though. Let's see. Oh, places. Home, desktop. All this good stuff. Let's see one of these games. Penguins is alright. It's like Lemmings. But yeah. No audio because I don't have any speakers. I have headphones, but they're not connected to my computer right now, so just no audio. There. Cool. Yeah, that's cool. That's nice. That works. Um, Mahong, I think it's pronounced, or Mahjong. Oh wow, this one looks a lot nicer than the last one I played. Ah, shoot, man. Well, whatever. Let's see what else is here. This is Blender. I'll show you guys Blender. Never used it in Linux before, so this will be neat. Nice. Start off with your cube. You can delete that though if you don't want it. And then I haven't used this in a while. Oh, create. Okay, dang, that's different. Let's just put a plane there. Scale it. Hold on. Um, tools, tools, tools. Maybe it's in here. No, it's not. Maybe I'm in the wrong mode. Okay. Subdivide, subdivide, subdivide. A few more times. There, good. Now we've got a plane that you can see a bunch of squares on. Um, Trying to remember what tools I use to make a mountain. Like I said, it's been a long, long time since I've used this. Physics, maybe. No, I can't remember where the stuff is. Oh well. Well, you can raise each of these individually if you really want to. It's boring and tedious, but you can do it. And then you end up with a little hill. Yeah, see, two little hills there. But I don't really want that, so whatever. Organize images, edit your diagrams. I don't do diagrams. GIMP editor. I don't think I even have any pictures on here, so I'm just gonna show you what's in the software itself. Oh, nice. That's off screen. Precisely where it needed to be. Bitch. Oops. Okay. What the heck? Oh. There, now it's in the right spot. Yeah. This is where an image would be if you had one. Uh, so there's, let's see. Picture. It's yeah, pictures. No, I don't have any. I wonder if this is. It is. Okay, this is. That's one cool thing about Zorin is that it's connected to your Windows OS, even if your Windows OS is not connected to Zorin. So you can go into your Windows thing and go and check out all your stuff. Camera roll. Random picture. Okay. Selfie. Um, let's say just using that, making myself look scary and shit. Oh my god. What the hell? Okay, what was I gonna do? Now you can go in here and go back to the base image. What color? Oh, I see, it's black. This is the color I'm using. Two options. Oh yeah, I could have used the opacity. So let's do that creepy thing again and then mess with the opacity here. Huh. Maybe I should have did that before. Yeah, you do that before you mess with it. Um, Never used that before. What's threshold? Let's figure this out. Oh, that's threshold. Okay. There. Creepy again. Um, Never use this tool, so let's figure this out. Oh, it's just figuring out angles. That's nice. That's nice. Um, what's this? I don't know what that is. Scalpel or something. There's a tool, remove edge areas from your picture. Oh, okay, it's like a crop tool. Um, okay. Yeah, it is. It says crop right here. And then save tool preset, restore tool preset, delete tool preset, or reset of to default values. Um, I don't know. I don't know what you would do from here, so I'm just gonna exit out. I've never used this much, but I'm gonna check out this crap. Neat 3D boxes. It's not even a box, it's like a weird shape. Well, I guess it's a box, but it's not a square, and I wanted a square. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Oh, shoot. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. Check out my stuff. Gotta have Google Chrome. Cool. I'll restart later. I'm gonna keep going through these things. I never use Epiphany messaging because I just text people. Calendar. Neat. Alright. All these different things right here are like the Windows suite or whatever it's called. Like Microsoft Word. Um, I think this is PowerPoint, and I don't know. This is I can't remember what it is, but it starts with an E, I think. But whatever. Anyway, yeah. What is this? Rediscover your music. Oh yeah, I don't even have my headphones on. Whatever. Closing the main window will keep running. Use quit from the menu. Okay. Oh fuck. Quit. Transcoder. Convert multimedia. All your devices. Audacity is pretty useful. You record and edit audio files. Create CDs and DVDs. This is a neat little thing right here. This is for your webcam. It says cheese. And here my webcam's on. You see me? Yeah. Okay. I'm getting out of this. Hold on. DV disaster additional air protection for okay. DVD styler, DVD production. This is transcoding DVD, Blu-ray, and other media. ISO master, read, write, and modify ISO images. Nice. That is awesome. Wow. Okay. I've never. Okay. Wow. That's neat. Let's see what Kazam is. Screencast. Record a video of your desktop. Yeah, that's pretty badass. This is gonna come in handy later. Come on. Alright. Non-linear video editor. Okay, well I guess I get two of them. Oh, well, I guess I don't get to use that. Oh, wait, oh, oh. Okay. Well, I have no idea what I'm doing with this. I'll have to learn that sometime later. I don't want to mix things up, or mess things up. I like OpenShot. This is pretty cool. You can edit videos and music, I guess, if you really want to put some music video in here or something. I apologize for that. I'm babysitting. She is starting to talk. But, okay. Let's keep going. Music player. Video player. Another video player. What the hell? Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. System tools. Let's see what's in here. All that good stuff. Preferences. Oh, yeah, okay. I like space. Brightness and lock. My room is pretty secure, so I don't really need the extra security on my computer. If I lock my door, the only person in the world that can get in my room is me. I have a chip. Security and privacy. Let's see what this is. Files and applications you used recently can be shown in the dash and anywhere else. If other people can see or access your user account, you may wish to limit which items are recorded. Pictures, videos, and music and documents. They can see the shit that I don't use. Power. Okay. Yep. Sound looks a little different. Is today the 16th? I guess it is. Okay. Okay, nothing to mess with here. I'm gonna just do that when I reboot. Yeah, and that's pretty much it in Zorin OS 11 Ultimate Edition. So, hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked it, and please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.